What's good, you guys? It's Cameron with 2A Orlando, and today we got a special video planned for you guys. We're going to be unboxing this crate of Yugo M67 on strippers, and no, not the kind that your dad likes. Before we get knuckles deep in this crate, guys, let me tell you more about it. I got this from SG Ammo. Took about 5 days to get down here to Orlando. Not that bad. It came in a cardboard box. But guys, when I opened this up, it was like Christmas fucking morning. I love the way this looks in my man cave. You know, you fill it up with some Hennessy bottles, some cigars. It's dope. More about the ammo itself though. M67 was designed to tumble and yaw earlier and softer targets, making it really good for self-defense. It's also brass cased. The only downside is that the primers are corrosive, but guys, as long as you clean your gun, this ammo will give you a fun and authentic shooting experience. Now let's get to it. You each got these locking tabs right here. All we gotta do is open them up and reveal this metal carton that contains the ammo. And all we gotta do is pull on this wire all the way around. It's gonna reveal the goodies inside, guys. And let's get to that. I've been dreaming about this shit for years. Oh yeah. This ammo's about 40 years old. Some of it could be newer, but most of it should be from the 50s. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this. Let's open this boy up. Oh yeah. This smells like freedom, guys. Let's pick one of these guys out. That's how it looks right here. That's how the box looks. Here we go. Beautiful. All 1,000 rounds on these stripper clips, guys. Really dope. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Well, guys, thank you for watching. As always, with 2A Orlando, we say stay safe, stay legal. Let's get out there and let's have fun. Peace.